Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to fix error. There was an error processing your order. Please check for any charges in your payment method and review your order history before placing the order again in WooCommerce Checkout page. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in checkout page in WordPress. So there are multiple ways to fix this issue. So we are in checkout page and then select payment method cash on delivery and then click on place order. Again you see error. So we are going to fix it. So you can deactivate third party plugin and then check this issue, or you can replace your theme, or you can change PHP version in your cPanel for WordPress website. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin, so click on it. So we are going to deactivate plugin to check. So we are in plugin section and then you see all plugin. So we are going to deactivate some plugin to check. So first we are going to deactivate geolocation IP detection plugin. So click on deactivate. So you can deactivate all third party plugin or other plugin. Just activate WooCommerce and then you will check checkout page. Now you see plugin deactivated and then go to checkout page again and refresh the page. So we are in checkout page again and then scroll down, you see order detail. Now select cash on delivery, enable this option and then click on place order. Again you see error. Now go to plugin page again. So we are going to deactivate this plugin, so click on deactivate. Now plugin deactivate done. Go to checkout page again and refresh the page. So we are in checkout page again and then scroll down, select cash on delivery, enable this option and then click on place order. Now you see, thank you, your order has been received. So we deactivate plugin and our issue is fixed. After deactivating plugin, if your issue is not fixed, then you can replace theme or you can change your PHP version from your hosting. So it's up to you. Now go to hosting and then you see we are in hosting SiteGround. So this is our domain and then you see PHP version PHP 8.0.3. So if your issue is not fixed after deactivating plugin, then you can decrease your PHP version and your issue will be fixed. So it's up to you. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.